Hello, I don't mean for this to be ASMR, but that's probably what it's gonna turn out to be, because everybody's asleep in my house. Hope you like that new intro. It took me longer than it should have. So in order to create a stickman, you can't see it, but I clicked on File, and right about here should be New, so you click that. It'll show some numbers and stuff right here. It doesn't entirely matter what size it is, but for my purposes, I will make it 1280 by 720. Just hit OK right there. Whoa. Whew. Let me reposition that. And now you have, goodness. Now you have your canvas. So what you're going to do is you're going to go up here, and you're going to click on the paintbrush. Let me change the color really quickly. Over here are the brushes. I don't think I want to go for a textured one. I think I'll just go for, yeah, this one's fine. It's a little weird, but whatever. So what you'll do is you'll just try and draw a circle. That looks okay. Not the best, but it's an okay circle. Then you need, now it gets a little bit difficult here, so you know, strap your seatbelts and pay attention. Okay, so you get your pen or your brush, you click right in the middle of that circle, because if you click over here, it's gonna look a little wonky, like he's slouching or something. So you want to get it right in the middle, and you just click, pull down. Now something I'd like to inform you on is that you don't want the body too short, because when you add the legs, it'll look weird. So you have to make sure that the body is the correct length. Okay, good. So now there are two ways to do the arms. So one way, you could just go over here, pick what you think is about right, and you just click and you draw a horizontal line. And you know, that's pretty good. Let me just make those even. And then the other way, if you're more of a pro, I'd only recommend doing this for pros, is you kind of do an upside down V. Here, let me show you. And it kind of looks like an arrow pointing to his head, you know? So I'm gonna go along with that, just cause, you know. And also, if you're really pro, you can add more arms and make it look like a W on top of a stick. So now we're gonna do the legs. You have your body proportioned correctly, so you have a good amount of room for the legs. What you'll do is you'll try to click right there, and you'll just do an upside down V. You see, it doesn't work with the line technique, because, I mean, unless he wants to do splits, like, it doesn't look right, you know? So, you can just, that one wasn't very good. There we go. Boom. if you're a beginner, you don't need the extra arms. So what you can do is you can just put your hands up right here and here, block those, and that's what your end result should be. Hooray, you drew a stick man. But if you want to get a little bit more complicated, you can go ahead and add hands, right? And just add circles. So it looks like a stick man with a very long leg, you know? And then what you can do is you can also add feet by making a W. So this is more pro. Sometimes I like to take it even a step further. I know it's almost a little hard to believe, but I kind of like to sometimes give my stick man some eyes. Here, hold on. No. There we go. There's a good eye. There's a good eye. And then what you can do is you can just kind of give them some eyes. And so I just went on a huge art tangent, and yeah, here's the horrific mess that came out of it. Anyways, so yeah, that's how you draw a stick figure. Oh yeah, really quickly, I forgot to show you guys how to save the image. So what you can do is you go up here to image, right, image? I think so. Yes, you can crop the content. It should be right around here. And I'm gonna use that just because I want to. And then layer. And what you do is you go down here to transparency. You add an alpha channel. And now that's added. You won't be able to tell until you do this step. So now you click on the magic wand right up here. It looks like a magic wand. And then you select something, and you can press shift, select another thing. If it doesn't select at all, delete, and now the background is transparent. Have a good day, guys.